studying your last two. I swim med when they turned in. The styren down to mute. And can learn the pole that sunk he died.
When preparing a corporation's T2 income tax return, it's important to remember that the federal return is only one part of the overall corporate tax filing process. In many cases, corporations must also comply with provincial corporate tax requirements. Although the federal government administers the T2 corporation income tax return, each province may have its own reporting requirements, schedules, or forms that apply to corporations operating within that province. This means that completing the federal T2 return does not automatically mean every provincial requirement has also been satisfied. One of the first responsibilities of a professional tax preparer is determining which province applies to the corporation. The province where the corporation carries on business often determines which provincial corporate tax requirements need to be reviewed. Across Canada, different provinces may have different corporate tax forms, schedules, filing requirements, or administrative procedures. For example, a corporation operating in Ontario may have different provincial reporting requirements than one operating in British Columbia, Alberta, Quebec, or Nova Scotia. The important point is not to memorize every provincial form. Instead, understand that provincial requirements can differ, and each corporation must be reviewed individually. Because provincial tax rules can change over time, professional tax preparers never rely on outdated information. Instead, they research the latest official provincial guidance before preparing or filing the return. This research usually involves consulting official provincial government websites, current tax guides, published instructions, and other authoritative resources. By reviewing the latest information, tax preparers help ensure that the corporation is using the correct forms and following the most current filing requirements. The overall process is straightforward. First, determine where the corporation operates. Next, identify the province whose tax requirements apply. Then research the latest provincial filing requirements using official government resources. Complete any required provincial forms. Finally, file the corporation's tax return with confidence, knowing that both the federal and provincial reporting requirements have been considered. One of the most common beginner mistakes is assuming that the same provincial forms can be used every year without checking for updates. Tax legislation, forms, filing procedures, and administrative guidance can change over time. That's why experienced tax preparers always verify that they are using the latest official information before completing a provincial corporate tax return. The key lesson from this slide is simple. Federal and provincial corporate tax requirements are not always identical. Professional tax preparers first determine which province applies to the corporation, research the latest official provincial guidance, identify the appropriate provincial forms, complete all required reporting accurately, and review everything carefully before filing the corporation's tax return. Developing the habit of researching current provincial requirements ensures more accurate tax preparation, helps avoid filing errors, and gives you confidence that the corporation's tax return reflects the most up-to-date provincial reporting requirements available. Professional tax preparers do not memorize every provincial corporate tax form. Instead, they follow a consistent research process to ensure they are using the correct forms and the most up-to-date filing requirements for the corporation's province. The process begins by identifying the correct province. Before researching any forms, the tax preparer first determines the province in which the corporation carries on business and identifies the provincial tax authority whose requirements apply. Once the correct province has been identified, the next step is to visit the official provincial government website. Professional tax preparers rely on official government resources because they provide the most accurate and current information available. After accessing the Provincial website, they locate the section dedicated to corporate income tax. This area typically contains tax guides, filing instructions, forms, schedules, administrative information, and other resources that help explain the province's current corporate tax requirements. The next step is to review the latest forms and publications. Rather than using forms saved from previous years, experienced tax preparers always confirm that they are working with the current taxation year's documents. This helps ensure that they are following the latest filing instructions and reporting requirements. After reviewing the available forms, they confirm exactly which filing requirements apply to the corporation. Depending on the corporation's circumstances, this may include reviewing filing instructions, supporting schedules, deadlines, and any province-specific reporting obligations. Only after completing this research do they begin preparing the required provincial forms. Once the forms have been completed, they perform one final review before filing to ensure that all information is accurate and complete. Throughout this research process, professional tax preparers use several important resources. These include official provincial government websites, current tax guides and publications, official forms and schedules, administrative guidance, and government bulletins announcing any recent updates or changes. Before considering the research complete, they ask themselves several important questions. Have I identified the correct province? Am I using the latest forms and publications? Have I selected the correct taxation year? Have I confirmed the filing deadlines? Are there any supporting schedules that must also be completed? And have I reviewed the official provincial guidance? Answering these questions helps ensure that the corporation's provincial tax filing is based on current and reliable information. One of the most common beginner mistakes is relying on outdated provincial forms or guidance from previous years without checking for updates. Tax forms, filing procedures, and administrative requirements can change. So experienced tax preparers always verify the latest official information before preparing a return. The key lesson from this slide is simple. Professional tax preparers research the latest official provincial requirements by identifying the correct province, consulting the official provincial government website, reviewing current tax guides and forms, confirming filing requirements, completing the appropriate provincial forms accurately, and performing a final review before filing the corporation's tax return. By developing this research habit, you'll prepare more accurate corporate tax returns, reduce filing errors, stay current with changing provincial requirements, and build the professional skills needed to prepare provincial corporate tax forms with confidence. Preparing provincial corporate tax forms is not just about filling out paperwork. Professional tax preparers follow a structured review process to make sure they are using the correct forms, following the latest provincial requirements, and completing the corporation's filing accurately. Let's walk through that professional workflow. The first step is to identify the correct province. Before preparing any provincial forms, the tax preparer confirms the province in which the corporation carries on business. This determines which provincial tax requirements must be reviewed. Next, they consult the official provincial guidance. Rather than relying on old notes or previous returns, professional tax preparers visit the official provincial government website and review the latest tax guides, publications, forms, and administrative instructions. Once the official guidance has been reviewed, the next step is to confirm which provincial forms are required. Different corporations may have different filing obligations depending on the province and the corporation's circumstances. So the required forms should always be confirmed before preparation begins. After identifying the required forms, The tax preparer completes the provincial tax forms carefully and accurately using the corporation's financial information and supporting records. When the forms have been completed, they perform a detailed review for accuracy. This final review helps ensure that all information is complete. Calculations are correct where applicable. Supporting schedules have been included, and the provincial forms agree with the federal T2 return. Once everything has been verified, the corporation's tax return is ready to be filed. The final step is maintaining complete documentation. Professional tax preparers keep copies of the federal T2 return, provincial forms, financial statements, working papers, supporting schedules, research notes, and any official guidance that was used during the preparation process. Throughout this review, experienced tax preparers asked themselves several important questions. Have I identified the correct province? Am I using the latest provincial forms? Have I reviewed the official provincial guidance? Am I preparing the return for the correct taxation year? Have all required provincial forms been completed? And do I have all supporting documentation available? Answering these questions before filing helps reduce errors and ensures that the corporation's provincial tax return is prepared using current and reliable information. Professional tax preparers also maintain a well-organized documentation file. This typically includes the federal T2 return, provincial corporate tax forms, official provincial tax guides, corporate records, financial statements, working papers, calculation schedules, and research notes from the official government website. Keeping these records organized makes future tax preparation easier and provides support for the information reported on the return. The key lesson from this slide is simple. Provincial corporate tax forms vary by province. Professional tax preparers first determine the corporation's province. Research the latest official provincial requirements. Confirm which forms are required. Complete the provincial forms accurately. Review everything carefully before filing. And maintain complete supporting documentation for future reference. By following this professional review process every year, you'll prepare more accurate provincial corporate tax returns. Stay current with changing provincial requirements. Reduce filing errors, and develop the research habits that experienced corporate tax preparers use throughout their careers.